All right, we're having so much fun. Josh, take us through this area. This is so cool.
Yep, so back here, we do animal husbandry. Again, the idea is that all of this plays together in helping to close waste loops.
Yep.
So we have goats for dairy, we have chickens for eggs, we have pigs for meat and compost, we have beehives back there, both for pollination and for honey.
Yep.
So it really increases the fruit production on our fruit trees by having bees on the property.
Wow.
Nearly 70% of our food supply is tied back to pollinating insects in some way. So bees are just vitally important to the survival of the human species. So.
And this thing lately with the bee colony collapse, it seems like enough people are reacting to that or responding to that, and more people are doing bees. So I've heard that the number of bees has actually increased in the last 5 years.
It has, but what's killing off the bees in the first place is using chemicals and pesticides in our farming.
100%.
And so unless we decide to change that and do something about it, we're going to be in the same issue that we have. We may be producing more bees, but they're just going to die off. So we have to change the way we think about food and our food distribution. And so the more local, small farms we can have that are using chemical and pesticide-free growing practices, the better. It's got to happen.
You know, somebody asked me about Monsanto at my last talk at the college, and my response to that is, they have over 20,000 employees. They serve millions of farmers. Do we want to make them our enemy, or do we want to turn the problem into the solution? And my thought is, let's find a way to inspire them from the ground up to turn the problem into the solution and to teach the things that you're proving it here, Josh. And this is what, because their goal is to help farmers increase their yield. Well, boom. You know, so with what you're doing here and spreading the word on this, we can teach farmers through Monsanto instead of having them be our enemy. That's my thoughts on it.
Right, yeah,
so,
for sure.
Cool.
I hope that would be able to happen. So.
Well, I hope so too. It's going to take a lot of inspiring to
question.
change their current state of mind on using pesticides. Jane Goodall said it best. We're going to look back on this dark era of agriculture and wonder how we could have ever thought it was a good idea to use poisons to grow our food.
Right.
You know, so awesome, folks. All right, good stuff here. Look at that. Food growing everywhere. That's our long-term vision.